Letter number 24. Meem,
Meme. Not a meme.
which is the M of the Arabic alphabet, pronounced like the letter M, plain and simple, ma. Looks more like a circle or a loop with a dangling arm. Tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me what you think how it looks. Okay, let's see the examples. Mal, my favorite subject, probably everybody's favorite. Mal, which means money. See how Meem connects to Aleph? Meem at the beginning of the word here. The dangling arm connected to Aleph. You know, this is the usual for other letters with dangling arms. Second example where Meem is in the middle. Jamal, which means camel. Look how Meem connects to Jim and Lam. To Jim and Lam. Third example, Salam. Salam, which means peace. See how Meem went back to its original shape. I know it looks here a little bit different, like the loop is open. But that's just a matter of font. Depends what type of font. But it kind of looks the same. Like even in the loop, it looks a bit as if it was open, you know, and pushed. Okay, just a matter of font. Another word, which we mentioned in the previous video, hulm. Hulm, which means dream. Okay, you know what to do now. Practice, practice, practice. If you have any questions, let's see them in the comments. See you in the next video.